if you're using this type of oven, this video is literally for you. I'm going to tell you some of the tricks about your oven, how to use this oven properly, and what are these knobs are for. And every oven there is a two knobs, or mostly onto the ovens you get like 4 to 3 knobs, but these two are the basics and these two are the compulsory in every oven. So on your right hand side, if you see, there are some of the numbers 60, 100, 140, 180. That means this is actually controlling knob of your temperature. If I turn it to the 60, there will be the 60 degrees Celsius, or if I turn to the 100, that means it will be turn on, or it will give you the heat of the 100 degrees Celsius. On the top one there is a small light which is actually representing your oven is on or off. So this will get turned on when you turn your knobs to the 60 degrees or 100 degrees. And on your left hand side, this is your most important knob for your cooking. So if you see on your left knob, there is a like small bulb sign and some of these signs with vertical lines onto the bottom, line onto the top side, and some of the warning sides, inverse warning signs. So that means, so this is onto the first side. If I turn it to the bulb side, that means your bulb will only get turned on. So that means this is for your light into the oven. From the right side to the second one, this one is with the lines, that means these are your heaters. If I turn it to the heater side, you will see your fan is on and your heater is on too. So that means it is on and you are getting the heat from the top side and from the bottom side. If I turn into the next one, this one is for the only the bottom one, and the top one, the next one is like for the only top heating. If you want to get your make your food, chicken, lamb or anything, you want it to give the heat from the top side, so you have to use this icon. And on to the last one, this one is only for your fan. So yeah, only fan is on, no heating at all. So just to make it so on to the 0, that means you are not heating at all. So this is how actually you can use this Indesit ovens. So if you have oven at your home, so you will know how to control it by this video. So this is basically your handle for your opening, and these are some of the grills. And ignore my things, don't store these things in your ovens. These are just because I have stored, just because I'm not using that oven at the moment. Whenever you have to use it, don't store any plastic in it, and use always the grills which are come with every oven. And this is tray for the baking, for making pizzas, for doing cooking for the lamb, chicken, whatever you want to cook. It's completely depends on you. So make sure your seals are in contact whenever you use them, because if there is a like seals which is not intact, so that means your oven is actually in the heat, so your food will not get warm enough and your food will not get ready if your seals are broken. And this is the glass for everyone. Make sure broken, just because that is a like most important part for the oven too, because if you don't have the glass, that means you're not storing any heat at all, and you can lose all of the heat from your oven. So make sure you subscribe my channel, Daily Hacks. So see you in the next video.